Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make Gajar da Halwa in easy steps. Before I start my recipe, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on my new videos. To start making a Gajar da Halwa, we need grated carrots. Then take a pan, add some Desi ghee into it, and then add the grated carrots into it. We are going to cook these carrots in the Desi ghee for 10 to 15 minutes until carrots release some water and get softer. So we are going to cook it on the medium high flame. Then we are going to add the evaporated milk. I am adding a 2 evaporated milk. I'm not using a regular milk because it's taking too much time to cook and dry up the milk. So evaporated milk is the best option to make your cooking faster. So after adding a 2 evaporated milk, cook it for another 20 minutes until it's dry. It took me almost 20 minutes to get it dry. Then for the flavors, I'm adding a green cardamom into it. Then add 2 condensed milk. I'm not adding extra sugar. I'm just adding a condensed milk. When you are adding a condensed milk, you also don't need khoya for the gajrela. It gives the sugar and the creaminess to the gajrela. So add 2 condensed milk, mix it well. It will soften the gajrela, and then you need to dry it. It's almost take me 20 minutes to get it dry, and then our gajrela is going to be ready. I'm making a nut-free gajrela, but if you want to add the nut and the raisins, you can add when you add the condensed milk into the gajrela. So our gajrela is ready. I'm just going to garnish it with some nuts if you want to use the nuts. But it is good to add into the gajrela beforehand as well. If you like my recipes, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on my new videos. Thanks for watching.